A strong back thing that's like that white.
Yeah.
That's what holds the rocket, and then that's what tips up. That's what you see up there.
But no, I'm not allowed in some ways. I have the
And
bad
it is
test.
that walkway at the top would be an asteroid.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
white
that's
thing?
yep.
I don't have a key code thing.
The black thing looks really good.
All right, folks. So here we are on 39A. This is where that rocket left from last night, just before 11 p.m. Right? It was like 10:50 or something.
10:53.
10:53.
Yep.
I fell asleep at 8. Fell asleep at 8. Woke up at 12. Fell asleep again at 3. You know how that goes.
That
All
black
right,
one
so
there, there's gonna be
we have that
another
black.
one.
We have
That's
two
what's gonna be,
towers
like,
out there.
catching
Let's look to the
eventually
tower to the
it's
left.
land back on
So we have that
the
black one with the white bridge sticking out the left side. That's
also
the
used
crew
to
access
stack
arm.
the Starship
That's what the
on top of-
astronauts walked across last night to get inside
Just
their
starting
capsule.
where those pylons are where it's
Now,
gonna
if you
sit
follow
on
that
top of.
tower to its base, you're going to see a white piece of metal. It's horizontal. That's called an erector transporter. That's how you stand the rockets up on the launch pad. So it starts off in the SpaceX hangar. You lay the rocket on top. Once the rocket's ready, you roll it to where you see it now, stand the rocket up, now you're ready to launch. So by the black tower, it would be on top of that white piece of metal standing up vertically. Yeah, it'd be on our side of the tower. Then we have all this construction going on out here. All this construction is getting ready for Super Heavy Booster and Starship. That is our brand new rocket coming soon from SpaceX. And if you cannot tell by the size of that tower, it is going to be one gigantic rocket. In fact, biggest ever.
Oh, they already got some liquid methane there for it too.